What's up, guys? Godzilla back again. Today we're gonna replace my steering wheel. I have an NRG steering wheel with quick release. So I'll put the links to these parts in the description below. We'll have a short hub, we'll have the quick release, and then the steering wheel. So I also have a lock for the hub, so like when you take the steering wheel off, you can put a lock on there. So let's get into it. Push down. So there's the stock horn. Beep beep. So you want to make sure that your steering wheel is straight before you undo the stuff, so that when you put your steering wheel new one on, it'll be centered. So it looks pretty straight to me. Okay, so when it's locked all the way to the right, it's straight. So now I need to get this nut off, but I guess first we'll take these panels off. This is just some Phillips head screws here. That's it. So there's a nut. Holding the steering wheel on. And you don't want to take it all the way off. You want to hold it on just a little bit, so that when you rock the steering wheel back and forth, and it finally comes off, it doesn't bust you in the nose. So let's try it. There we go. Nut and the steering wheel, mount the horn. So there's a stock steering wheel. Really nice condition. Maybe I'll sell it, maybe I'll keep it, I don't know. Go. Just needed a little massagey, a little pick tool. So it looks like this comes off with some screws. 4 screws. I need to figure out how to get this off. Looks like there's small screws here. Okay, so probably didn't need to pop that off of this, but we did. So here's the hub. Short hub. Again, the link is in the description below. Alright, so we put the NRG hub on with the NRG logo facing up. And then put our nut back on. Okay, so that's on there nice and tight. And this would be for your horn, I suppose, but I don't have anything to hook it to, so if I figure that out, I'll make a video about it. But yeah, because I won't have a horn. So now we need to attach the quick release portion to the hub here. Alright, so it comes with these screws and a little Allen key. Just put these screws back in. Alright, cool. So it sits out a little further, but not too bad. Okay, guys, here's a close-up look. Got my neochrome hardware to match the quick release, and to match the dress-up bolts under the hood. Got them from dressupbolts.com. Check them out. So yeah, I mean, try and do this with one hand. No, I'm trying to set this down. There we go. So yeah, it's got the electrical connections in there for the horn, but apparently I didn't hook it up, so maybe I'll figure that out later. But anyway, yeah, pretty good. Not compatible with Hikis though, so that's why I waited until my Hikis was deleted to do my steering wheel. So alright, there you go. Take that off, put my lock on, and now we're locked. Take my steering wheel inside. Nobody's stealing this thing, unless you tow it.